Time blocking is a time management method developed by Cal Newport, author of Deep Work. The method asks you to divide your day into blocks of time. Each block is dedicated to accomplishing a specific task, or group of tasks. The method will provide you with a clear picture of what to focus on at any moment and not be overwhelmed by the remaining tasks of the day. Scheduling tasks also become much easier. In the Planner tab, you can see today's theme as work. And we have a morning block, a work block, after work, and an evening. Each block has a start and end time. The default set of blocks depend on the theme or themes of the day, but of course you are free to customize the structure of your day the way you want. We'll talk about how to do it later. Inside each block are calendar sessions. A calendar session is simply a slot of time on your calendar. A calendar session can be a task or an event. For simplicity, we'll call them tasks from now on. You can see each block has tasks that only relevant to that block. At any moment of the day, you only need to focus on one block and nothing else. To add a new task into a block, tap the plus button on the top right corner of that block. The Create panel will appear so you can organize and select date and time for the task. The date and time values are already set according to the block from which we started. You are free to choose another date, or another block. Instead of specifying a block as time of day, you can also schedule to an exact time. In the Time of Day section, tap the clock button and select the exact time of day. If the selected time belonged to a block, then the task show up in that block. For now, let's schedule our task with a block. Next, we see that there are two options to create a new calendar session or task. For a simple task, using the first option is enough. Tap Calendar Session, and a new screen will show up. From here you can enter the title. You can add subtasks in the Completable Items section. Tap Done to save. A new task has been added to the block. You can of course move it around. Just long press the task, move, select date and time, and then tap Done. Now you can start working on it. Tap the Done button to mark it as finished. Now the task is out of your view so you can focus on the remaining ones. If time for the block is over and there are unfinished tasks, you can move or duplicate them to another day. You have learned about the time blocking method and how does it work in Journal It. Now let's talk about how to structure your days with themes and blocks. On the top of Planner, you can see today's theme as work. Tap on the theme to start editing the structure of the day. Here you can change the theme or add another theme. A day can have multiple themes. Each theme has a set of blocks. If there are multiple themes for a day, the app will combine unique blocks and remove duplications. To replace the current theme, tap the Replace button, and then choose a new theme. The app then will ask if you want to update blocks of the day according to the new theme. Tap OK to apply the new set of blocks. Now let's structure the blocks of the day. As you can see, we already have a set of blocks according to the theme of the day. You are free to move the blocks around by drag and drop them to the desired time of day. Tap the plus or minus button on a block to change its duration. To add another block, tap the Add button on the desired slot of time. Pick a block, then specify its start time and duration. Tap the Done button to save the structure of the day. To customize day structure for future days, on the Planner tab, scroll down to reveal the calendar. Tap the date you want to edit its structure. And then tap the Theme button to start editing. Let's set the theme of the day to holiday. Tap Done to save. On the monthly calendar you can see that because holiday is a high priority theme, the app will display the theme's emoji to make it more prominent. Now let's talk about how to automatically schedule the theme or themes of your days. By default, your day either has work theme or weekend theme, according to the day of week. To view the default themes and customize their blocks, from the main screen, open the left panel. Day Themes. Tap a theme to open. Here you can set its priority. If there are multiple themes scheduled for a day, the one with highest priority will be the primary one. You can change its color, emoji, and edit its blocks. Scroll to the bottom and you can see the list of theme schedulers of this theme. A theme can have multiple theme schedulers. Open the scheduler, and you can customize how do you want it to repeat. Tap Done to save and your calendar will be updated accordingly. That's an overview of the time blocking method and planner in Journalit. To learn more, please check out the user guide in the description. As always, feel free to comment below if you have any question. Happy journaling!